News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Ethan Houston.
Record cold across much of the Susquehanna Valley early this morning. Now we're starting to rebound, but look at the highs. Only right now sitting in the teens currently in Harrisburg, frozen over Susquehanna. Still dry across much, if not all, of the Susquehanna Valley, but later this evening that light snow is going to start to move in from the southwest and push to the northeast. May see some flakes flying just outside of Hagerstown near Camp David, Maryland. Some of this will be sneaking into Franklin County and Adams County during the next hour to an hour and a half, and then become widespread as we head through the evening tonight and on into the overnight hours. It is a large storm system. This time around, instead of being on the southern fringe, we're actually on the northern fringe of the storm. Center of circulation right now is moving just to the north of Birmingham. It'll move out to sea, and its track will give us that chance for some light to moderate snow showers as we head through tonight and early tomorrow morning. That's why we have that winter weather advisory in effect from 7 o'clock until 7 in the morning on Tuesday. Notice we have some winter storm warnings on the other side of the Mason-Dixon line. Higher totals are expected closer to Baltimore and Washington, D.C. So some light snow moves in from the west to the east. Temperatures will be falling from, this should say 14 to 10 as we head through the rest of the evening. Overnight tonight, snow will be heaviest south, and whatever falls is going to stick. And I do expect the heaviest to be from about 10 o'clock until 3 o'clock in the morning. Lows tonight will be near 10 degrees. And then tomorrow morning, the snow showers will be out of here by 8 in the morning. And then we'll start to see the skies clear, and we'll be a little warmer. It'll be noticeably warmer. Still chilly, though, by February standards. Our highs tomorrow will be a good 10 to 15 degrees warmer than today in the upper 20s. Right now, it's 13 in Harrisburg, currently 14 in York, 12 if you're watching us in Lancaster, 9 currently in Lewistown. And the temperatures are just going to hover, just drop a few degrees as we head through the rest of our evening because the cloud cover is fairly thick and that snow is increasing from the south. So the storm is going to work its way through the Carolinas as we head through the rest of our evening. High pressure still keeping things fairly quiet overhead right now for us. And then as this storm system moves away, notice at the very top of your screen, another cold front will be coming down. That gets here as we head into Wednesday and will give us another shot of cold Arctic air. So here's a breakdown of the timing here for you on the predictor. Notice as we head through the evening, 10 o'clock, some scattered snow showers across much of the Susquehanna Valley. The brighter white here is the heavier snowfall. Notice how a lot of that is just south of the Mason-Dixon line. And then as we head into 8 o'clock, the snow showers will begin to taper off from west to east and should be out of here by lunchtime. We'll see some breaks in the clouds. Highs tomorrow will be in the mid-20s. But then here comes that cold front that's back off towards the Great Plains right now. This will move through on Wednesday, giving us some scattered snow showers. Could see some snow squalls out of this up there watching closely. And then temperatures will drop quite fast on the backside of that front. So timetable, once again, snow moves in from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It will become fairly light to moderate until roughly 6 in the morning. And then by 6 to 8 o'clock, it will be moving off to our east. In terms of snowfall totals, looking for a coating to 2 inches for areas north of Harrisburg, so Duncannon, northern Lebanon County up toward Pottsville and State College. General 2 to 4 for the big cities, Harrisburg, Lancaster, York, toward Gettysburg. Isolate spots up to 5 inches. 5 to 8 inches more off down to our south, closer toward Baltimore. So once we get rid of the snow tomorrow, we only make it to the mid-20s. That will still be warmer than today, where our highs are in the teens. Then notice another shot of cold Arctic air comes in midweek. Highs by Thursday, only near 16 degrees. Lows once again back down in the lower single digits. Keep an eye on that as well.